The currents of transformation are sweeping through humanity, marking a pivotal moment from which there is no turning back. This profound change, gaining momentum, is now poised to accelerate at an unprecedented rate. Our very essence is evolving, and as we stand on the edge of this monumental shift, a mix of excitement and trepidation fills us. Embarking on an exploration guided by the wisdom of Dolores Cannon, a luminary in metaphysics and past life regression therapy, we delve into a journey illuminated by her teachings. These teachings offer valuable keys to navigate this transition with grace and wisdom, securing our place as pioneers in a vibrant and evolved humanity. Dolores Cannon devoted her life to understanding the intricate relationship between human consciousness and the universe. She foresaw a profound transformation for our species, one propelling us toward a higher plane of existence. As we delve into these teachings, an open heart and a spirit of empowerment guide our journey. It's essential to recognize that this is a unique personal journey, and each individual is encouraged to embrace what resonates with their soul, leaving behind what does not. The Earth and the entire solar system are currently immersed in potent cosmic energies, not merely a backdrop to our existence, but the driving force behind our evolution. Opening our minds and hearts to these cosmic currents initiates our steps toward transcending the limitations of duality and separation. However, amidst this collective ascending consciousness, there are those still anchored in the confines of 3D consciousness. This state of awareness is characterized by a focus on differences, division, and limitation, governed by fear, self-centered behaviors, and a divisive us against them mindset. The consequences are evident in today's world, marked by competition, conflict, and collective suffering. Yet, an extraordinary opportunity lies ahead for those breaking free from the grip of 3D consciousness. They are destined to witness and actively participate in the birth and growth of a new era, an era defined by cooperation, harmony, peace, and prosperity for all. The key lies in stepping into and sustaining this new Earth reality through the attainment and maintenance of elevated levels of consciousness. As we embark on this transformative voyage, we must recognize that the seas may grow turbulent at times, as the world undergoes profound upheaval and recalibration. In the coming years, we will witness tremendous shifts in paradigms and perhaps some turbulence as we enter a new era for our planet. Turbulence often precedes great change, clearing the skies just as storms do. This period of upheaval can pave the way for a more harmonious and enlightened world. The extent of this turbulence remains uncertain, but one thing is abundantly clear: your state of consciousness will determine whether and to what degree you become entangled in it. Now, armed with a deeper understanding of the shift and its implications, let's set our course by exploring the 6 keys that will illuminate our path through this transformative journey towards a brighter and more harmonious future. 1. *** Release your emotional baggage. *** Imagine your soul's journey through the human experience as a sacred voyage filled with profound lessons and experiences. Along the way, emotional baggage accumulates, the remnants of painful encounters and unresolved emotions from not just this lifetime, but many others. The awakening process and the sweeping shift in consciousness demand that we confront and release these buried emotions. This release may be uncomfortable and unsettling, yet it offers a unique opportunity for growth. By addressing and forgiving ourselves and others involved, we can liberate these low-frequency energies that keep us tethered to third-density Earth reality. This emotional baggage acts as a heavy anchor hindering our progress toward a higher state of existence, affecting not only our spiritual journey but also our physical well-being. As Earth's vibrational frequency rises, unprocessed emotional baggage becomes a powerful force for manifesting adversity in our lives. The chaos in the world signifies the resurfacing of collective emotional baggage, indicating that we are on the path to clearing these energies for a more harmonious world. To fully embrace the shift to fourth density Earth, we must release all our emotional baggage, as lower frequency energies will anchor us in the past. Imagine shedding these heavy emotional burdens, becoming lighter and freer with each release. You have the power to transform your life and contribute to the positive transformation of the world. It begins with addressing your emotional baggage and allowing healing to take place. 2. Maintain the sacred neutral, In a world filled with negativity and fear, maintaining a state of sacred neutrality is crucial as the awakening process unfolds. Not everyone will embrace this new consciousness. Some remain trapped in fear and negativity, while a select few seek to manipulate these emotions for their gain. To stay on course during these challenging times, refrain from being drawn into the chaos and confusion surrounding you. As the old world crumbles, become a living example of the new awareness you wish to cultivate. Resist the temptation to engage in drama, whether from those clinging to the past or well-meaning individuals outraged by disturbing revelations. Your mission is to stay centered in your heightened consciousness and radiate its energy to the world. Focus on creating positive change in your enterprises, communities, and families. Even in the face of adversity, remain calm and centered, like the eye in the center of the hurricane. Avoid judgment and condemnation, for they only perpetuate discord and conflict. Be a beacon of sacred neutrality, radiating calmness, positivity, and love. When others inquire about your unwavering composure, humbly share your perspective on the bigger picture. Your example can inspire those struggling with fear and negativity, helping to uplift them during these challenging times. Remember, this journey was chosen by your soul for a reason. Challenges can be viewed as catalysts for individual and collective spiritual growth, leading to a profound sense of joy as you attain new levels of understanding and awareness. Stay the course and remain unwavering in your commitment to the new consciousness. 3. Embrace unconditional love and forgiveness. As the old world crumbles and 3D consciousness plays out, it's imperative that we send unconditional love and forgiveness to everyone involved. This includes innocent bystanders, those caught in turmoil, and even those who may have instigated chaos. Rather than reacting with judgment and condemnation, consciously choose to respond with love and forgiveness. These powerful forces have the potential to heal the entire world. Prominent figures such as Jesus, Martin Luther King Jr., and Buddha understood this truth, and now it's time for us to embrace it. When you witness conflict and violence in the world, remind yourself of your core principles and values. Instead of succumbing to anger and resentment, channel your energy into forgiveness and love. Find your unique way to express these emotions, knowing that your actions can ripple outward, creating positive change. Imagine a world where forgiveness and love prevail, where conflicts are resolved with understanding and compassion. By sending these energies to all, you become a catalyst for healing and transformation on a global scale. 4. Accept that the old will fall and focus on creating the new. Imagine a garden at the end of summer, where the once vibrant blooms are now withering, and the leaves of trees are turning brilliant shades of red and gold. This transformation, this cycle of life, is not a cause for despair, but a celebration of nature's wisdom. Just as the old must yield to the changing seasons, so too must the old world give way to the new. How can you navigate this period of transition with grace and purpose? The answer lies in accepting that the old must fall to make room for the new. This acceptance is not passive resignation. It is an acknowledgement of the natural order of things. It's a recognition that life is a constant cycle of birth, growth, decay, and rebirth. In this moment of history, we are witnessing the withering of old belief systems and paradigms. Structures that no longer serve the highest good of humanity are crumbling, making way for something new, something better. We are the seedlings of this new world, sowing the seeds of change from the grassroots up. Instead of expending our energy trying to prevent the old from fading, let us focus on nurturing the new paradigm we are birthing. Just as with the changing of seasons, the old must wither and die to enrich the soil for the new. Embrace this natural process and allow it to unfold. Trust that the new consciousness you are embodying will guide you through this transition. Remember, the old is making way for the new, and you are an essential part of this transformation. 5. **** maintain the highest vision of a smooth and effective shift. ****. In times of transition, it's natural for uncertainty to creep in. The unknown can be a breeding ground for fear and anxiety. But remember this, you are not a passive observer of your reality. You are a co-creator of it. Your thoughts, intentions, and beliefs have the power to shape the world you experience. As we navigate this transitional period, it's crucial to maintain the highest vision of a smooth and effective shift. Envision the best possible outcomes for yourself, your community, and the world. Picture a reality where the transition is characterized by cooperation, harmony, and a collective awakening to higher consciousness. Avoid falling into the trap of envisioning worst-case scenarios. While challenges may arise, your commitment to the new consciousness will act as a shield, allowing you to navigate any turbulence with grace and resilience. You are not a victim of circumstance. You are a conscious creator of your reality. Seek wisdom from spiritual sources that resonate with you. Explore teachings that provide profound insights into the nature of reality and the power of collective consciousness. Remember, your thoughts are like seeds planted in the fertile soil of the universe. Nurture them with positivity, hope, and optimism, and watch as they sprout into the reality you desire. 6. **** Demonstrate the higher way through simple acts of kindness. ***. In a world that often celebrates cleverness and competitiveness, it's easy to forget the profound impact of simple acts of kindness. Yet, kindness is the most potent force for elevating humanity to the next level of consciousness. It embodies divine qualities such as acceptance, allowance, non-judgment, forgiveness, and compassion, keys to the shift towards the new earth. Think about the last time someone's kindness touched your heart. Perhaps it was a stranger's smile, a friend's listening ear, or a loved one's comforting embrace. These moments remind us of our shared humanity, our capacity for love, and our interconnectedness. Imagine a world where kindness is the currency of exchange, where each interaction is imbued with love and compassion. You have the power to create this world through your actions and intentions. Be the catalyst for positive change, one act of kindness at a time. Remember, kindness is not a passive quality, but an active force for change. It has the power to heal wounds, bridge divides, and create a world where cooperation, harmony, peace, and prosperity flourish for all. The winds of change are blowing, and the arrival of a new era is imminent. Beliefs, institutions, and systems of the old paradigm are shaking. But you can stay centered in your new consciousness to successfully embrace this shift. Let your life be the living example on which this new era is grounded. Allow acceptance, allowance, non-judgment, forgiveness, compassion, love, and kindness to guide your way. Together, we can manifest a world where cooperation, harmony, peace, and prosperity flourish for all. It's a collective effort, and by living these principles, you become an integral part of this beautiful transformation. Remember the motto, all for one and one for all. As we embark on this journey towards a new earth, let us unite in our commitment to a higher consciousness, a brighter future, and a world filled with love and kindness.